Hello families, hello boys and girls. Today I am in the kitchen with my littles. Kids can do anything, including baking.
I'm Asher.
And I'm Violet.
Today we're gonna make the world's best banana bread. First you need to gather all the ingredients. Ingredients is a fancy word for all the things you need to make something.
Don't worry, we'll put all the ingredients below.
Most banana breads have nuts, but this is for kids by kids. So we are using chocolate chips instead. Peel 3 bananas, then mash it up with a fork. I love cooking because it's fun.
It's always a good idea to have your big person close by. Bananas are growing food. It's full of potassium.
Potassium gives your body lots of energy.
Add 2 eggs to your bananas. Be careful not to get any eggshell in there.
Then mix. Mixing is fun. Slowly add half of your dry mix. That's your flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt.
Then mix.
Carefully add your melted butter. Butter makes everything better.
Then mix.
Add in the other half of the dry ingredients.
Then mix. It's time to add the sugar. It takes a little more effort, but mix. You really have to get in there.
Now it's time for our secret ingredient, chocolate chips.
Then you know what to do, mix.
I like to cook with my family because it's so fun.
Love makes everything taste better.
It's time to butter the baking pan. Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. So make mistakes, learn from them, and move on.
Slowly pour the batter into the pan. If you need help, ask your big person.
Have your big person bake the bread in the oven. Bake it at 350 degrees for 60 minutes.
Then cool for 10 minutes.
We know that you enjoy the world's best banana bread.
The best part is made by kids. Kids can do anything. Your banana bread.
Look at that girl. Look at that girl.